Here we come to the elevators at the Alamo Tower Building East in San Antonio, Texas. These are 1980 Dover computer-matic traction elevators. Down button's already stuck lit. Oh, it looks like I hear the generator running. One of them should be here any moment. Look at these lanterns. I really like these lanterns. One of them is coming. It's this one right here. Yes, these are original. LL. It's locked. Oh, these are beautiful. I love the generator on this elevator. I wonder why that down button is stuck lit. Epco flush line fixtures. Look at these. Look at these fixtures. I gotta go sample that chime. These are fixtures here. These appear to be bottom drive traction. Yeah, these are definitely bottom drive. I'm gonna go sample the chime over the top floor. It's quite a tall cab. Very beautiful anyways. Or I'm gonna go outside and sample the chime. Okay, there's a desk out here, so we'll go back down and I think we'll end the video from there. Look at that. A newer Dover traditional door close button they added. Original Dover nameplate. Here you go.
I'm waiting for
Are you going up? Unfortunately, it looks like that left elevator car is the only one that works. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.